You know that sore knees impact millions worldwide, making life less enjoyable. Sore knees reduce the quality of life and lifespan. Even simple things like doing grocery shopping, standing up, walking up and down stairs can be challenging. Meet Sarah, who had 2 knee replacements, and as you will see, it has reduced her mobility. But even after that, getting up is hard for her. When she tries to stand, it's tough, and she needs a lot of strength and support. She uses both hands to help her get the strength she needs. It takes about 30 seconds, but eventually, she manages to stand up. Knee replacement surgery carries risks such as blood clots, wound infections, and potential nerve or tissue damage. Post-surgery, individuals may experience issues like persistent pain, stiffness, or difficulty standing, sitting, and walking. When she sits, she relies on both hands, suggesting possible leg weakness or instability. Taking care of your knees can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Take care of your knees for circulation and bone health. Minimize the risk of having knee replacements as a person gets older and keep the knees strong. So how can you keep those knees in top shape and avoid knee replacements? Here's the lowdown in simple terms. Stay active. Do weight-bearing exercises to strengthen the muscles around the knee. Watch your weight. Keep those extra pounds off to reduce knee strain. Eat well. Foods rich in calcium and vitamin D help build strong bones. Use PEMF therapy. It's easy and helpful for knee health. Use pulsed electromagnetic therapy every day by placing the pad and spot applicators on top of the legs while sitting. Use it while working, relaxing, or watching TV. It's an easy way to boost circulation and keep the knees in good condition. Remember, looking after your knees means staying independent. PEMF therapy is a proven modality for stronger bones, circulation, and pain relief. We supply German-made, certified medical devices that can improve the health of your knees. Contact us today. Visit our website at www.pemf.inc. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos on PEMF.